Dear Mania, you sneaky little shit. I went to sleep at 4. Why am I awake at 7? I'm unsettled, an overused sentiment for my condition. Still, I feel stifled by the remainders of normality. Light, sometimes unbearable, my reflection still foggy. I feel as if my skin will burn like the leaves. But I have to try. Take a walk. Keep looking upward, never forward. That's my new advice. I need to clean my shoes. Fluorescent lights give me hope. I keep forgetting to remember. Or am I supposed to remember to forget? I don't know which one hurts less yet. It's just June, Mania, and I'm back home. I intend to remain there. You have to let me go. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe, as well as the images above will take you to other videos I have created on this channel. Thank you. Have a great day.